Hello lovers, today we are making pop-off. So guys, join in, let's make this pop-off together. So we are making using of this flour. So flour, we add it inside. I have yeast here. This is yeast, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 sachet. I'm making use of 1 sachet. So I also have sugar, added sugar. So if you want to make yours, make sure you measure it so that you know the quantity you are making. So I'm just showing you example how you can make your pop-off. So I added small teaspoon of salt. You mix it together. So if you have a nutmeg, you can put nutmeg. You can put any other thing you like, but I don't want to use nutmeg. So I want to do it like this. I'm making using of milk. I like use milk for my baking. If I want to do anything, I like use milk. So this is warm milk. This milk is warm. So I will add it inside. If you want to put milk for your to use it to make your pop-off, you have to let it warm. So here, this is my warm water. We add warm water. You mix it until you get to that consistency where you want. If you want to, you mix it. So we also be adding a little water because I like to make it soft. And see the way I'm mixing it. Make sure you mix yours like that, guys. So we have to cover it for like 40 minutes before using it. So guys, I'm covering it for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, we'll be back, guys. So guys, just take a look. You can see it. This is the pop-off. It's time to fry it. Let's take a look. It's time to fry it. This is the problem I have. I don't know how to cut it. It's like I need some water. Let me add water to it. Okay guys, as you can see, we have to turn it. Okay guys, this one don't dry. It's time to remove it before it's done. This is mine. Close that door.
Okay.
Okay guys. So very dry. I cannot go back. Let's have put all of them. Okay guys, this is the last one. It's ready. I have to remove it from oil, guys. I have to remove it so that it will not burn too much. Okay guys, as you can see, it's ready. Yummy. Share the video.